Okay, so you're walking on this little trail and you come up behind houses, which are houses in one of the colonies neighborhoods. And then I think this trail goes all along behind the fences on this street. Maybe you can even get out to the street. But I'm kind of worried about the dog getting too far. Well, anyway, so you can go way up there if you want. Way, way, way up there if you want. I think I'm gonna stop because of my puppy dog. But then you can also go back into these woods right here and just play like for hours if you're a dog and not for hours if you're a human. But there are other things that you could do. You could have a picnic. You don't necessarily just have to play. But my dog digs it. Here he is smelling around. Here he is wanting to go up there. Bandit! And of course he wants me to oblige him. But I don't think I'm going to. I think we should go.